call for Alvin.
Well, I'm the only one here.